everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about starting fresh with makeup. Makeup can be overwhelming and I have a lot of makeup. I love makeup and I've been buying makeup for a long time. I have drawers full of products, and with all the knowledge I have, what I would like to share with you is where would I start and what brands would I buy. What I realized is that the products that they're most reliable and they are the easiest to apply, most practical and modern with a lot of range of colors is Bobbi Brown. There are 10 products that I want to show you that they are amazing and I keep buying them over and over again. And the number one would be the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. Foundation can be intimidating, it's really difficult to apply, you don't want to look like you have a foundation face, and keeps people away from buying foundation. This stick is super easy to apply. I'm here applying it all over my face in really abundant way, just to show you how easily it blends. And I'm using my stipple brush from MAC because I already had it and it's one of my favorites. You can also blend it with your hands. My face here, it only has moisturizing cream and nothing else, and as you see it kind of blends super well together. I also like to apply it on my lids and the finish is super flawless. I love it, it's natural, and here I'm using Natural One. The next product I'm going to show is a concealer. The concealer comes in two ways, in a powder with the concealer, which is a great way to save, and also you have the perfect match for the concealer, and then the concealer on its own. I'm using here the concealer with the powder. The powder prevents it from creasing. Also, Bobbi Brown sells a wonderful brush, which I also recommend. And this brush, what I do is that I put a tiny bit of product in the brush and I apply it down from the center of my eye down alongside the nose, because that gives you a look, a very modern look. And I also cover the darkness in between my eyes, that usually you get more darkness as you age, and it blends super well with your skin tone. It looks super natural, and once that's done, I powder lightly with the powder on the product. As you see, it looks super nice and natural. Next, I love this. Oh my god, this is my favorite product, I think, from all brands. This cream blush is great for your lips and your cheeks, and I actually apply with my hands. I put a tiny bit, and this is Youth in a Pot. This color is Fresh Melon, and it looks amazingly fresh on your face. It gives you this radiance, this kind of youth, and I love it. And as you see, it's a perfect nude and glossy color as well for your lips when you don't know how to find that modern pinkish nude color. It blends beautifully with most lip colors. Bronzer you can apply before or after. I'm applying here after because I usually apply the cream blush in the center of my apples, of the apple of my cheeks, really higher, I mean close to my eye, to bring up, you know, your face, so prevents your face from dropping. And I like to apply a bronzer, you know, on the sides of my face to highlight my jawline and on my cheekbones, below my cheekbones, and on the top of my forehead. The bronzer from Bobbi Brown is this matte color that is not, it doesn't have a lot of red, and it's super modern, and I love it. I love it. I love it. Mineral powder perspective, Bobbi Brown has a lot of mineral powders as well. This one is a really cool tone mineral powder, and I only apply it to the areas where I don't want to have any shine. So I leave the glossy cheeks, but I apply on the rest of my face to give that matte look and prevent any shyness. You can also pop this one in your bag, and in case you want to refresh your makeup and remove any shininess that you might have during the day. From an eyes perspective, I love the cream shadow stick from Bobbi Brown. This product is multifunction, acts as an eye primer, super easy to apply also. It slides really nicely on your lids and removes any darkness that you might have, evens the skin tone on the lids, and you can leave it just like that, which is also pretty and modern, or you can apply eyeshadow if you want. Another versatile and amazing product that Bobbi Brown has are the long wear gel eyeliner. Although they look difficult, they're great because they look very soft and natural. And Bobbi Brown also sells a really tiny brush that I recommend also getting, because although the brand sells this one is amazing for this product. And I apply it really close to the bottom of my lash, almost creating tiny dots connected, and then on the really close to the root of my eyelashes on the top lid. And I ended with a tiny flick upwards to create more openness in the eye. When I completely line my eyes, the remaining product in the brush, I use it to add any hairs to my eyebrows with lightly strokes to frame beautifully your eyes. Bobbi Brown has a lot of beautiful palettes that they look natural, and I love them. And Bobbi Brown's brushes that come in the palettes are amazing. They have a very thin side and more of a blending side, and they're great. Like the black is great to also add a tiny bit of powder if you want to your eyeliner. And I'm here applying the pinkish tone all over my lid, over the bone base color, and this color won't crease. The bone stick is long wear and acts as a primer, as I said, so this will stay all day long. And as you see, my face looks beautiful, it looks put together, professional, and it's easy. Bobbi Brown is my go-to brand if you want to start from zero. I hope you enjoyed my channel and give it a try, and I'll see you next time.